we don't like to be monogamous. We like to do this like super intimate act with people, but we like downplay it. And even if we like want to and like do it with a bunch of different people, and even if we're doing it with the same person, we like don't want to put a label on it because we don't want to close ourselves up to other options.
Hooking up, I think, is when you interact with someone, maybe, well, physically. Getting together and, making out and doing some of those things with a person that you're not necessarily like, super well. It's just like, oh, I just hooked up with this random guy. Hookup doesn't mean sex to me, though. It doesn't have to, I don't think it's sex.
Hookup culture to me means when people just kind of like without any feelings or emotions toward another person will just, like make out or
Hookup culture here, well, I guess like how Polly, it pretty much defines the social aspect here in college. I mean, hookups are a part of the social atmosphere.
I think hookup culture to me is a pretty broad term that I think people use for a lot of different circumstances. I think it could mean anything from making out to having sex, and I think if you refer to something as a hookup, that's kind of a one-night stand kind of thing, not likely to happen again, but I think you can also use hooking up as people that have been routinely hooking up and that it's going to continue.